So I have the Xiaomi Watch S3 and I'll be showing you how to measure your blood oxygen. So from the watch face, just swipe like this and then keep swiping and you're looking for this icon right here. So just tap on that. And then if you want to measure blood oxygen, just tap on start. Now it's going to tell you to keep the watch still and facing upwards. So I'll just do that. And it's going to take about 20 seconds. So just keep still and make sure your watch is snug on your wrist. So it said it couldn't measure. Keep the watch touching your skin. All right, so I'm not sure what that's all about, so let's try again. Well, once again it said it couldn't measure, so let me try and keep my wrist completely parallel to the ground and see if that works. And that also did not work. Now, I'm not sure if there's a problem with my watch or it's just how I'm trying to measure because my watch is tight. So I'm not sure what exactly is going on. Maybe let me know in the comments if your blood oxygen sensor is working on your Xiaomi Watch S3. For me, it seems to be giving me errors all the time. Oh, there you go. So it did measure my blood oxygen and found it to be 100%. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's basically how to measure the blood oxygen on your Xiaomi Watch S3.